Hello guys, welcome to this piano tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you a reggae song by Sinach, that is You Are the Same, in the key of C. And when I'm done with that, I will give you the full piano tutorial. Let's go guys. You are the same, yesterday, today, forever. Nobody is like you. You never change, yesterday, today, forever. Nobody's here like you. You never change, yesterday, today, forever. Nobody is like you. I worship you. I worship you. You are the living God. You are the living God. Yesterday, today, forever. You are the same. Alright guys, so that's basically the breakdown of the song. I'm not perfect in reggae, but I'm just trying my best. I hope you grab something. Alright, so I'm going to show you the chord progression of the song. The chord progression of the song is very straightforward. Alright, so it's just a 1. Alright, it's just a 1. Remember, we are playing the key of C major, so it's C major, alright, C major, G major, alright, now D minor, then F major. That's all about the chord progression of the song, guys. I don't always want to teach people melody, alright. I'll just do it slowly so that you see. So that's kind of the melody of the song. If you can add something. Alright, so you can do that melody, it depends on you, but what I'm interested in is just the chord progression of the song. Alright, so and the vamping, alright, the vamping is very important. So when I'm vamping, okay guys, when I'm vamping, I don't always like, when you're playing where there's no bass guitar, alright, you can now activate the left where you can activate the left. So now when you have the bass guitar in your church, wherever you're playing, you can just activate just this Galaxy and you vamp, alright? You are the same. This is the way you vamp, alright? 1, 1 and 5 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 4. Oh, 1, 1 and 5 and 2 and 2 and 4. You never change, yesterday, today, forever. Nobody is like you. Alright guys, so that's basically that. So you vamp by, so most of the times you vamp with the inversions. Alright, like this is one, I'm vamping with this one. Alright, this first inversion, I also come to first inversion of 5, which is G. I come to Z minor, this is the inversion, and come to F, the inversion, first inversion. Alright guys, so most of the times you can also use the pitch bend. Alright, so most of the times you use the pitch bend. The pitch bend gives it a very lovely and nice melody. Alright, so the other part of the song is so that's the chord progression of the first part. Then that part where she sang I work, so that part is on, you start with G, G5. Remember we are vamping with inversions. G, this G, I work, sheep you F, then the inversion, sheep you, I work, G, I work, sheep you 4 and 5 and 1, 4 and you are the living God, you are the living God. Alright guys, so that's the breakdown of the video. I hope you learned something. Do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.